What's going on, ding dongs? As you can see, we're at a special location again with Tay and the slammed special. What is the name of this?
I don't know, the bastard child.
The bastard child. It's like
that should have been put out of its misery way before we got to it. We're gonna do one of those. ASMR. Listen, can you hear it? It's so satisfying.
Oh, fuck! Damn it! Come on! Fuck, man. It was going so good.
It was.
Oh, wait, we got from the other side now. Fuck it. We're done. We're done here. That was fucked.
Alright, I'm going home.
Destination fucked.
The tyre doesn't come with a steering wheel though, so it goes off-road. It goes like really off-road. This is the longest journey to destination fucked I've ever seen.
I think I might have killed it.
Maybe.
Open dead on me.
Yo, this one's high definition. Genius Boost high definition.
Yeah.
It's HD.
Yeah, she's done.
Why is this guy clicking?
Sensing the power from the battery. Trying to find
some life that
find
doesn't
some
exist.
power, yeah.
She chooched.
Oh, dude, this thing's so.
She chooched her last chooch.
Take care of your cars, kids. Take care of your cars.
So I got the wiper cover cowl thing off so that I can put it on my car because I'm sick of it being filled with leaves and turning into dirt. So I'm gonna take that home and then load up some of these parts to ship. Damn, they look pretty.
Yeah, it'll be cool once they're all cleaned up and done.
Nice, dude.
Surprised with how good the permaseal came out of the channels.
Yeah? How'd you get it out?
It all just came out in chunks.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm
Cool.
surprised. These headlights usually suck when they're permaseal. I don't know why these were such a bitch to get open too. Oh, I'm stressed.
Yeah, I need to figure out a way to make lenses. If eBay can do it, so can I. This is why I got rid of the wipers, because look at the size of this fucking contraption. I don't know if I should put them back so I could drive it in the winter.
Have a wiper transmission?
No.
I would take that one.
Maybe I should. I don't know.
Wipers are cool to have.
I don't have a wiper stock anymore, so I have
You
to
can just
I'll
have switch.
wire it. Yeah.
That would make it even more race car. In your switch panel, if you had a wiper switch,
Yeah.
and you get some custom switches, and one says Viper.
Yeah.
We'll make it say Viper.
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 Viper blades.
Viper blades. All right, I'm gonna pull it off. 'Cause I already threw mine away a long time ago. Hey, it's just what I do. I reduce the amount of parts available for SCs. You know?
Me get more money for selling them.
Hell yeah. False scarcity, do it. Just like De Beers diamonds. I got this behemoth out. I miss being able to drive in the rain. Rain-X doesn't cut it.
No, that only goes so far.
Yeah, and you have to be driving fast for it to work. Which when you're drifting is not the case. Drifting is slow.
And you need wiper arms too, right?
Yeah, they're right there. I'll just grab them. Alright, let's stuff this in here. It's such a sad car. No steering rack, no suspension.
Yeah, brakes don't work.
Yeah. At least the washer fluid's full. I wish I had a trailer. And a truck. And a winch. Yo, clean title. Sunroof works. Mint. Farewell. Farewell.
Bye-bye, piece of shit.
Tyler, are you gonna take good care of it?
Oh yeah, great care of it.
Cool. We're here, ding dongs, but as you can see around me, it's not looking good. It's still raining here. It's not raining back home, but it's still raining up here. Oh man, let's hope it clears up. Otherwise I'm not getting any drone footage. Alright, ding dongs, here we go. It's a little test flight.
Everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at,
That's it for today, ding dongs. Yeah, this weather's just not that great for flying. The whole quad is soaked. But yeah, I looked at some of the footage and it looks pretty bad and it's all wet, so sorry about that. Not much I could do about it. But that's gonna be it for this one, ding dongs. Thanks for watching. I hope this was pretty cool. There's gonna be more of this drift footage and drone footage and all that good stuff. More of it to come. I'll see you on the next one, ding dongs.
Do you have your passport?